type of function is bijective function. A bijective function means a function f from a to b is said to be bijective function if f is both 1 to 1 and onto. So that is nothing but bijective function. For example, here a and b are two sets. A function f from a to b is said to be bisective over 1-to-1 correspondence if f is both 1-to-1 and onto functions. We can say in other words, a function f from a to b is said to be bisective function if every element of set A has a unique image in set B if for every element of set B has a unique pre-image in set A. Hence, we can say that f is bisective function or a 1-to-1 correspondence. Capital A, set A has elements A, B, C, D. Set B has elements 1, 2, 3, 4. First, how can you say that this is 1-to-1? So A has a image 1, B has a image 3, C has a image 2, D has a image 4. For every element of set A is associated with unique element in set B. Hence we can say that F is 1-to-1. Okay. Next one. How can you say that this function F is onto? Every element of set B has a unique pre-image in set A. 1 has a pre-image A, 2 has a pre-image C, 3 has a pre-image B, 4 has a pre-image D. Hence, we can say that F is onto. Okay. Now, F is both 1-to-1 and onto. Hence, we can say that it is a bisective function or 1-to-1 correspondence. Okay. A bisective function is also called as 1-to-1 correspondence. Now, consider this example. So, this is a bisective function or not? Okay, this is not a bisective function because x has a image 1, y has a image 3, z has a image 2. So, now it is 1-to-1 function. Next, onto function. 1 has a pre-image x, 2 has a pre-image z, 3 has a pre-image y, but 4 does not have pre-image in A. Hence, we can say that it is not a onto function. Only it is a 1-to-1 function, but it is not a onto function. Hence, we can say that it is not a bisective function. Okay. Now, we go for identity function. Okay, identity function is defined on one set, that is itself. Okay, so we can take only one set, that is A. So a function f from A to A. Okay, this is A, this is A. Okay, a function f from A to A is said to be identity function if every element of set A has a image to itself. Okay, so that is nothing but 1-to-1 function. Okay, so this is set A, this is a set a function mapping from A to A if every element of set A has a image to itself. Okay, 1 has a image 1, 2 has a image 2, 3 has a image 3. Okay, image of every element of set A to itself is called as a identity function. Hence, we can write it as f of A is equal to A. Okay, so the identity function on set A is denoted by capital I suffix set A. Okay, so this is called as identity function. Okay, this can be defined on only one set. Okay, mapping from set A to set A. Next one. Last Last one is constant function. Constant, a function f from a to b is said to be constant function if all the elements of set A has only one image in set B. Okay, that means if all the elements of set A is associated only with only one element in set B, so then this type of function has a constant function. Okay, here A and B are two sets. A has the elements A, B, C. B has only one element. Okay, A image is X, B image is X, C image is X. That means if all the elements of set A is associated with only one element in set B, so then this type of function is called as constant function. Okay, so up to now we are studying about six types of functions. First one is one to one, second one is on to, third one is many to one, fourth one is bisective, fifth one is identity, and sixth one is constant function. These are the six types of constant functions. In the next video, we are checking some examples whether it is a one-to-one, on-to, bisective, constant, identity functions or not. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel name. So, Dibbala Srinivasarao. Thank you.